should take it slow.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back with another video. We have some fog bubbles that need to be fixed. And take a guess what we gonna fix them on. You know it. The Toddler Bred 13s. Now let's get into it. Right here, I just want to show y'all how good this looks. Like, oh my God, it's still in good condition. Okay, right here, I wanted to show you how it looks. You can see this one on the left look all right. The one on the right is, and this is me focusing it. Like this one right here, it's not that bad. You know, I can work with that one. But then this one, it's like, bruh. But it's fine, we can handle this. So the most important thing you need for this to work is the what? Hair dryer. I'm telling you. Alright, look, so this is what you do. Hover the hair dryer over the bubble, but you want to keep going back and forth to it. Just like this. You see how I'm going over it for about 3 seconds, then leaving, then coming back and doing it for another 3 seconds. And honestly, this one didn't even need it. I just did it anyway. See, now you can't tell me you don't see the difference. Okay, now look, you're gonna do the exact same thing you did to the left shoe to the right shoe. I already explained it to you the first time. I'm gonna just show you the process. Me running, keep me running. That gotcha, bitch. Hot. And that is it for the Jordan 13 Fog Bubble Restoration. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more like it, go ahead and hit that follow button. Without further ado, thanks for watching the video. Till next time.